Hey, howdy, hey y'all. Leanna here. Happy Mask Monday. Welcome to today's Mask Monday collab video. Well, every Mask Monday is normally a collab. If you're using the hashtag maskmondayladies, then you're in the collab. You don't even have to ask, it's just open. But this is a special collab. This collab is hosted by Kim from Kim's Happy Place, and she sent all of us a mask to use. It's Kim's Happy Place, Mary Catherine Loves Cats, Jean Louise, Laura the Bargain Hunter, Taylor Marie, and moi. And the mask that Kim sent us is this beautiful skull mask because it's October, we're in fall, and Halloween month, a whole month of Halloween. So this beautiful Day of the Dead skull mask is going to get us in the mood for some Halloween. Let's get it on my face and then I'll tell you about it. I'm going to zoom through the putting it on the face part. Look at how pretty it is. It smells absolutely amazing. Okay. Aren't I cute? That's so cute. Okay, so this is Appealy. It is a K-Beauty brand, and it says to apply to clean skin. You can use a toner if you want. Smooth out the mask. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then it says to peel it off slowly from the edges. So don't be all freaky crazy and ripping the mask off your face. You gotta do it nice and gentle. And then gently massage the excess serum into the face to help the skin absorb. I feel like I'm not in focus. My camera does not know what to do with the skull face. So this collab, this is a 6-channel collab. And I believe everybody's doing the exact same mask. Let me move that out the way. And we are all doing a giveaway. So, if you're unfamiliar with some of these channels, which I find very hard to believe, Kimmy's Boxes, who is hosting this, not Kimmy's Boxes, she used to be Kimmy's Boxes, she is now Kimmy's Happy Place. She does haul videos, makeup, lifestyle, any kind of haul she does, unboxings, she does a little bit of vlogging. She has started doing makeup looks, which is phenomenal. Her and her mom, she has several videos with her and her mom doing those boxes where you get food, international eats or international goodies, something like that. And all of these channels will be listed down below so that you can go check them out. There's Mary Catherine Loves Cats, true to her name because she absolutely loves cats. You will see her cats in her videos. She does hauls, unboxings, she does lives, which are really fun to do on her channel. She does all kinds of amazing things. Love Mary Catherine. She's just as sweet as she can be. Kim is sweet too. I didn't mean to leave that out, Kim. You sweet girl. Kim. And then there's Jean Louise. Jean Louise does unboxings and hauls and Mask Monday videos. Mary Catherine does Mask Monday videos too. I am all over the place. Woo-wee. Too much coffee. Jean Louise has the best laugh in the whole entire world. She is just amazing. And she has Amanda, her little co-host. And then we have Laura the Bargain Hunter. She does haul videos, unboxings. She does Mask Monday videos. She is included in lots of collabs. And last but not least, we have Taylor Marie's channel, and Taylor does about the same. She does hauls and unboxings, and she also reviews books, and she does some vlogging. So those are all the channels. Each channel, I believe, is doing a giveaway. The giveaway, my giveaway, I'm assuming all, but my giveaway will end a week from today, so next Monday at noon Central Standard Time, and I will pick a winner via a random comment picker based off the secret word that I'm going to give you, and I will announce, oh, that's itchy. I will announce the winner on my community tab once the winner has been verified. In order to enter to win, you have to be subscribed to all 6 channels, and you have to leave the secret word down in the comments section in the form of a complete sentence. And that word is spooky. Spooky. So go down in the comments section, leave me a complete sentence using the word spooky, and that will enter you to win the giveaway. What am I giving away, you ask? Well, I'm giving you a box. Congratulations. I have some goodies in the box. And I'm going through this quickly so that y'all can go around and visit all the other channels. I have Detox Unpolluted Oxygen Light Cream, So Susan Skin Pristine Makeup Melting Cream Cleanser, Nura Defend Triple Action Eye Cream, Flight Mode Skincare High Altitude Hydration Mask, Nobility Bar 1 or Barone Luxury Hand Cream, and then I have some sheet mask. I have the Vitamin C sheet mask, I have the Aceology sheet mask, and a 24 karat gold cream mask. As always, all of the rules for the giveaway will be down in my description box. I will have the link to all of the other channels down in the description box as well, so that you can go watch their videos, subscribe to their channels, and you can enter into their giveaways as well. All of the items in my giveaway are skincare products, so make sure that you test things out on your skin. If you've watched some of my most recent videos, you know that I'm still having a little bit of an issue on my eyes. I have a little patch where I have mixed my skincare somehow, and my eye is a little irritated, so you need to make sure that you can use these products with your current skincare. So do your research. Don't just willy-nilly put things all over your face. So, believe it or not, it has been 15 minutes. Through the magic of YouTube, it has been 15 minutes. So, the instructions said to gently peel the mask away. That is really goopy. Some people will save these and reuse them. I am not some people. And then it said to massage the serum into your skin. So thanks everybody for hanging out with me for this Mask Monday, spooky Mask Monday collab with all of these other amazing channels. If you're here from any of the other channels, welcome, welcome. I can't believe my ears didn't fall off. They normally do. Oh, they're starting to slide off. I feel them. Before you go watch all of the other amazing videos, make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. There it goes. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, I bet you would be really cute in this Day of the Dead skull mask. It's cruelty-free, glowing and hydrating. Oh, it's cinnamon, apple, and vanilla. That would have been nice to tell people, huh? Cinnamon, apple, and vanilla. So if you can't get your hands on this mask, then just, mix you up a batch of apple cider and just put it in a spray bottle and you can just spritz your face with it. That'll make you beautiful, okay? Mama loves you, boo.